new concerns about COVID in teens. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says she is deeply concerned. A new CDC analysis finds that 1/3 of adolescents hospitalized with COVID ended up in the ICU. A new vaccination campaign is now underway here in New York City, a pop-up clinic parked at city schools. 169 million have received at least one dose, 60.5% of everyone 12 years and older. But the vaccination rate is now slowing down, and the next school year is quickly approaching. ABC's senior national correspondent Steve Osinsami is at the CDC tonight.
The head of the CDC wants every American parent tonight to hear their new report, showing that a few more children are getting sick with COVID-19 and are needing to be hospitalized.
I strongly encourage parents to get their teens vaccinated, as I did mine.
They looked at 204 sick teenagers. 1 in 3 wound up in the ICU. 10 of those children needed machines to help them breathe. More than 70% had at least one underlying medical condition, and 2 out of 3 were Black or Hispanic.
What we learned from this study is that this is also a serious disease in children. The good news is there is now a vaccine available to prevent it.
13-year-old Alina Valenzuela played volleyball and was as healthy as can be when she came down with COVID-19 in January. She survived a heart attack, but lost her leg to a blood clot while fighting the disease.
It's hard for us to understand and comprehend what's going on because she is so energetic and athletic and never has been a sick child.
So far, only about 25% of American teenagers 12 to 17 years old have gotten one dose of the Pfizer vaccine, and just 9% are fully vaccinated. As health officials try to put more shots into the arms of children, the investigation into the origins of the coronavirus continues. And tonight, Dr. Anthony Fauci is under fire. He's accused of downplaying the possibility that the virus was leaked from a Chinese lab early in the pandemic. Like most scientists, he's calling for more investigation, but doesn't buy the theory that scientists engineered COVID-19 on purpose.
The idea, I think, is quite far-fetched that the Chinese deliberately engineered something so that they could kill themselves as well as other people. I think that's a bit far out.
At the end of a news conference today, the president was asked if he still has confidence in Dr. Fauci, and he said yes.
Mr. President, you have confidence in Dr. Fauci?
Yes, I'm very confident in Dr. Fauci.
The president's opinion unchanged. Steve joins us now from the CDC. And Steve, the CDC has also been tracking a handful of reports of heart inflammation in young people after vaccination. What more do we know about that tonight?
Well, Lindsay, scientists here at the CDC in Atlanta aren't quite sure if those cases are connected to the vaccine. And even if they are, they say that there's such a small number in the large universe of millions of children who've gotten vaccinated without any problems. Lindsay.
Steve, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.